I've driven a lot of cars, but these 7 are the ones I trust the most. Ever wonder what makes some sports cars more reliable than others? In this video, we'll talk about what makes a car you can trust. We'll show you which sports cars in 2024 are the best at not breaking down and why they're so good. Stay with us to find out which cars are the best and why it matters when you're picking your next sports car. Let's dive into the first one on our list and see what makes it stand out. The Mazda MX-5 Miata is a lightweight, nimble convertible known for delivering pure driving fun. Its 181 horsepower, 2.0-liter engine might seem modest, but the car's lightweight and perfectly balanced chassis make it quick and responsive. Most drivers prefer the manual transmission, which enhances the engaging driving experience. The Miata stands out for its simplicity, with a straightforward interior and user-friendly controls focused entirely on the driver. As a convertible, it offers the added thrill of open-air driving. What makes the Miata particularly reliable is its proven engineering, with a history of consistent performance and low maintenance costs. Mazda's commitment to quality ensures that the Miata is not only fun, but also dependable year after year. It's also affordable and reliable, providing great value without compromising on enjoyment. Overall, the Miata is an excellent choice for those seeking a fun, reliable, and affordable sports car that won't let them down. Get ready, because the next car on our list is one that's making waves in the sports car world. The Toyota GR86, along with its twin, the Subaru BRZ, is a small, affordable sports car designed for driving enthusiasts. Its lightweight, rear-wheel drive setup makes it agile and responsive, especially on twisty roads. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with 228 horsepower, the GR86 strikes a perfect balance of power, offering excitement without being overwhelming. The manual transmission is preferred for a more engaging driving experience. The GR86 excels in handling, thanks to its low center of gravity and finely tuned steering and suspension, making it a true driver's car. What makes the GR86 particularly reliable is its strong build quality and Toyota's reputation for long-lasting vehicles. The car's components are engineered to withstand the rigors of spirited driving while maintaining low maintenance costs. This combination of performance and durability is why the GR86 is a standout in the list of reliable sports cars for 2024. Despite its sporty nature, the GR86 remains practical for daily driving and offers great value for those seeking an affordable yet reliable sports car. Next up is a car that some say is the last real muscle car left. Let's take a look at the Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang is an iconic American sports car that blends power, style, and affordability. As one of the last true muscle cars, it delivers a thrilling and reliable driving experience. The base model features a 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 310 horsepower, providing strong acceleration for both everyday driving and weekend fun. The manual transmission enhances the traditional muscle car feel. What makes the Mustang particularly reliable is its robust engineering and Ford's commitment to durability. The Mustang has a long history of strong performance and dependable operation, with a solid build quality that ensures it can handle both daily commutes and more spirited driving. Ford's extensive dealer network and availability of parts also contribute to the Mustang's reliability, making maintenance straightforward and cost-effective. The Mustang stands out with its bold, aggressive design, featuring a wide stance, long hood, and distinctive styling. Inside, it offers a modern, comfortable interior with enough tech and practicality for daily use. While the rear seats are snug, the spacious front seats and large trunk add to its practicality. These qualities make the Mustang not only an exciting car to drive, but also a reliable choice for those seeking a sports car that can stand the test of time. Next up is a car that brings together classic style and modern power in a way few others can. Let's dive into the Nissan Z, a sports car that's fast, fun, and surprisingly reliable. The Nissan Z is a modern sports car that combines classic styling with powerful performance, designed for driving enthusiasts who crave a fun and fast experience. The 2023 Nissan Z features a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing 400 horsepower, offering exhilarating acceleration. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging experience or a 9-speed automatic for added convenience. The design pays homage to its predecessors with a retro-inspired look, including a long hood, short rear deck, and iconic Z-shaped badges. Inside, it blends classic sports car elements with modern technology, featuring a driver-focused cockpit, digital instrument cluster, and an 8-inch touchscreen for infotainment. What sets the Nissan Z apart is not just its performance and value, but also its reputation for reliability. Nissan has a long history of building durable, long-lasting vehicles, and the Z continues this tradition. The robust engineering, high-quality components, and proven track record of Nissan's V6 engines contribute to the Z's dependability. This makes the Nissan Z a smart choice for those who want a sports car that's not only thrilling to drive but also reliable over the long term. It's this combination of fun, performance, and reliability that secures the Nissan Z's place on our list of the most reliable sports cars in 2024. Now let's take a look at a car that has become a legend in the sports car world, the Toyota Supra. Known for its powerful engines and sharp handling, this car is built for those who crave both speed and excitement. The Toyota Supra continues to uphold its reputation for power and performance. The latest model offers 2 engine options, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, with the latter producing 382 horsepower for thrilling acceleration. Enthusiasts often prefer the 3.0-liter engine, especially with the newly available 6-speed manual transmission, adding to the driving excitement. The Supra's design is striking with a bold aerodynamic shape and a low, wide stance. Inside, the driver-focused cabin features high-quality materials, advanced technology, and a large touchscreen. Toyota's renowned engineering and build quality make the Supra particularly reliable. Benefiting from Toyota's experience in creating durable vehicles, the Supra's engines and components are designed for longevity, handling both daily driving and intense performance demands. The partnership with BMW in its development has also introduced cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, further enhancing its reliability. A key feature of the Supra is its sharp handling thanks to a balanced rear-wheel drive setup and responsive suspension. This makes the Supra not only fast, but also fun to drive on winding roads. Despite its focus on performance, the Supra remains comfortable for daily use with a well-designed 2-seater cabin offering supportive seats and modern amenities. This combination of performance, comfort, and Toyota's reliability makes the Supra a standout choice for those seeking a sports car that delivers both excitement and dependability. Up next is a car that some say has redefined what a modern sports car should be. Get ready, because this one might just be the most exciting option on our list. The Chevrolet Camaro is a classic American muscle car known for its powerful performance and bold styling. With engine options ranging from a 275 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder to a supercharged V8 in the ZL1 model, the Camaro offers a thrilling driving experience at an accessible price. Its aggressive design, modern technology, and balanced handling make it a standout. What makes the Camaro particularly reliable is its solid build quality and durable engines. Chevrolet's reputation for engineering long-lasting vehicles ensures the Camaro can handle daily driving and more aggressive use, with maintenance made easy by accessible parts and service options. Overall, the Camaro is a reliable choice for those seeking classic muscle car power and performance. Up next is a car that some say is the most iconic muscle car ever, outshining its rivals in raw American power. The Dodge Challenger is a true American muscle car, celebrated for its retro-inspired design, powerful engines, and spacious interior. It combines old-school charm with modern performance, appealing to enthusiasts who value raw power and classic styling. The Challenger offers a range of engines, starting with a 3.6-liter V6 producing 303 horsepower. For those seeking more power, several V8 options, including the legendary HEM1 engines, are available with the supercharged Hellcat models delivering over 700 horsepower. These engines provide exceptional straight-line speed and the iconic muscle car roar. What makes the Dodge Challenger particularly reliable is its proven engineering and build quality. The V8 engines are especially durable, and the car's robust construction ensures it can handle both daily driving and high-performance demands. Its relatively simple mechanics compared to modern sports cars also make it easier to maintain, further enhancing its reliability. The Challenger's bold, retro design, with its wide stance, long hood, and distinctive front grille, evokes the muscle cars of the 1970s. Inside, it is unusually spacious for a sports car, with a large cabin that comfortably seats 4 adults and a trunk offering more cargo space than expected. Despite its size and power, the Challenger is designed for comfort in daily driving, featuring a smooth ride and modern technology. However, its larger size and weight compared to rivals can affect its agility in tight corners, making it less nimble than some competitors. Overall, the Dodge Challenger's combination of power, durability, and ease of maintenance makes it a reliable choice for those seeking a classic muscle car experience. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on the best cars and driving experiences. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which car you'd pick, and we'll see you in the next video.